Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is Vlogmas day 10. It's just flying by. Like at this point, it's almost the 25th. But today I'm about to go to work. Like I'm literally about to go to work right now. I'm just gonna try to make myself something to eat. Probably gonna be like a Nutella bagel. That sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm probably going with that. But I'm gonna have to eat something else, so I'll probably get lunch today. But yeah, I'm back home and I just got all cozy. I need to get dinner prepped. Hey, no barking. I need to get dinner prepped, so I'm about to do that. I didn't leave the meat out, so like I don't know how this is gonna work. But let's just hope for the best. Okay, so I just read this book, The Stranger in the Lifeboat, and I want to talk about it because it was like a life-changing book. So basically what it's about is there's this big boating accident that happens, like really like a huge yacht, almost like a cruise, essentially a cruise accident. And there's these people that are on this lifeboat and they're like drifting into the ocean, and there's this stranger that just comes out of nowhere, and they don't have any bruises, they look perfectly fine, and they declare themselves as the Lord. And over time, like different things are happening to the people that are on the boat, and it's like everyone's reaction to God being there with them. Some people don't believe, some people do believe. So many things happen on that lifeboat. But it's such a beautiful message and like teaching of like what would you do, and it's about like faith and about life and about death, and it's a really beautiful book. It's a book that I recommend. Everybody needs to read that. It's by the author, it's from the author Mitch Albom, who also wrote The 5 People You Meet in Heaven, which is also one of those books I really recommend. It's a beautiful book. It made me think about mortality and like my own mortality in a very different way. It's one of those books that just kind of stick with you, and that's the same thing for The Stranger in the Lifeboat. And there's kind of like this I don't know what this would be called, but it's basically there's this like controversy, I guess, that happens where it's like, do you actually think that this is the Lord that's on the boat? And then also, is the Lord even actually on the boat itself? So even if you believe that the Lord is there, are they actually on the boat itself? And so there's just like all of these ways that you can think about the book, and I think it's amazing, so I had to just plug it in, recommend it. So far I'm behind on my reading goal. I am, let's see, I'm on 44 books out of 50 books. So this is the most amount of books I've ever read in a year since I've been tracking my books. However, the goal is to read 50, and I'm 2 books behind, and I really don't want to be. I'm reading 2 books right now though. I'm reading Selection by Kiara Mass, I think. Let's see. By Kiara Cass, which is basically about this like competition that happens where these girls have to like fight, I guess. Not fight, but they have to compete to like win the heart of this prince. It's a very like young adult book, which I don't know how much I'm gonna like, but it's like 8 hours long, so I can finish it really soon. So I was like, all right, I'll pick this up again. I read it before, and I know that I really liked the first book, but I hated the rest of the books. Like I was so disinterested in it. I think I DNF'd the second one. DNF means do not finish. So I do not finished it because it was so bad. But I can enjoy the first book at least. And then I'm reading Welcome to the Hainam Deong bookshop, and I'm reading that with my new reading book. My new, what are they called? Book club, my new book club. We're called Reading Rainbows, which I think is the cutest thing ever. And I'm so excited. We're meeting up really soon for the first time, and I'm excited to like meet everyone and to like talk about everything. But we're reading our book, and we're not having like our official book club meeting until like the new year. But we're gonna meet each other. So I'm reading that book, and I'm trying to read that book physically and with audiobook. And that's like, it's helping me so much. It's giving me that immersive experience, so I really like that. I know on part of my goals was to read physically more, and so it makes it so that my mind doesn't wander as much. So I really like that. I really appreciate that. So yeah, right now I'm just drinking my tea and I'm just relaxing, waiting for the food for my chicken wings to unthaw. Hopefully they unthaw in time so I want to make some fried chicken. I think it'll be good, but I think I said this already. If I don't, then I'm getting Thai food, and I'm not even that upset about it. So it is what it is. I wore my hair out today. It doesn't look super good, but it doesn't look bad, so we're making progress. I think I would definitely call this progress, but I'm just gonna leave it alone, let it do what it wants to do. Tonight was a rough night, guys, especially with my healing journey, so I'm gonna have to call it a wrap. Sorry, this is probably a shorter vlog, but see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.